And now, TV Classroom is proud to present Cooking with Miss Wally and Miss Osland.
Hi, friends. Okay, guess what? It is time for cooking.
Yes. Yes.
So, we have 2 recipes. Yes. Thank you. First thing, you always want to make sure we had Mr. Kevin clean our table. We washed our hands, and now we're sanitizing our hands, and we're not going to touch our faces because germs live on our face, okay? So, we're gonna make 2 different recipes today. And the first recipe only has 2 ingredients. They are banana oatmeal cookies.
That sounds good.
Now, it says you can bake them if you want to, but we're not gonna bake them. And you can add other things if you want, like dried fruit or nuts. I did bring some honey, so we'll decide.
Game time decision.
So, all we have to have is 1 banana, but there's 3 of us here and I wanted to take some home, so I'm going to double the recipe.
Oh.
So if I needed 1 banana and I wanted to double the recipe, how many bananas am I going to need? 1 and 1 is 2. So, Miss Osland, I have a fork here.
Okay.
I'm gonna peel the banana. Can you mash the banana?
I can mash the banana.
Okay, so here we go. 1 banana. Ta-da! 2 bananas. Okay. So she's mashing the banana. And then let's go back to the recipe and see what we needed to do for the oats. 1 cup of oats. So it says to scoop, pull the plastic ring around the edge. Okay.
Oh, that's fun.
So now, Miss Osland,
What? What happened?
I forgot my 1 cup measure.
Oh, man.
Oh man, I guess we can't make it. Wait, you think we can? Oh, do you think we can make it? Mr. Kevin, do you think we could still make it?
Sure.
Well, I have a half cup measure.
Oh.
I wonder if any of our 3rd graders know
Yeah,
how many half cup measures I need to make 1 full cup. Huh.
What's a half plus a half?
Well, if I was to take
1
this,
half.
this is my whole, and I was to cut it in half, half and a half is 1 whole.
1 whole. 2 halves equals 1.
Okay, but then we're also making a double recipe.
Oh, okay. Multi-step.
Yep.
We've been practicing that.
Let's do each times the recipe. So we're gonna do the first banana.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
So 2 half cups, we said,
Yes.
makes 1 full cup.
Yes.
Do you guys agree? Okay, so here I go. Gotta make sure it's nice and level. Okay. 1 half cup. 2 half cup.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do the second recipe.
Got it. Because we're doubling.
We're doubling it. 3 half cups. 4 half cups. So 4 halves equals 4 half cups equals how many recipes did we do?
Is it 2?
It's 2.
2.
4 halves equals 2 wholes. So then it says to mix it all around. And then it said we could add honey if we wanted. Do we want to add honey?
If we have it.
Do you think
Might
so?
as well.
Mr. Kevin, some honey?
Honey.
No allergies here.
Okay, honey it is. If I was at home with Mr. Roll, I'd say, honey, let's add some honey. Okay, I'm not gonna measure it. I'm just gonna drizzle it in. Okay. What does the recipe say to do now? Let's
Okay,
look.
Let's take a look.
Okay, so we mash the banana in the mixing bowl. We stirred in the oats and the other ingredients. Miss Osland, she's mixing it really well. Ooh, it's taking shape. Oh, yeah. And then we have to roll it in a ball and flatten it when it's ready.
All right.
Do you think it's ready?
Just about almost, oops, getting wild here. Almost all the oats are,
Do we need another banana? I have an extra banana.
maybe.
It's not looking very wet. Sometimes
Yeah.
when you cook, you follow a recipe, but it doesn't look quite right. Take a look. It's not,
Yeah.
it's kind of not, it's not wet
Crumbly.
enough.
It's
So
not going to stick together.
luckily, I was prepared and brought an extra banana. Here, look.
Yeah.
See,
let's
it's
zoom.
like,
Uh-huh.
it's all crumbly still. See, there's still some like loose in there. So we're gonna add another banana.
Yeah.
Do your hands need a break?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you.
I will-
Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work, friends. So I'm gonna do half a banana because we can
That's a
always
good idea.
add more banana.
Yeah, but you can't take it
You
out.
can't
once
take
it's
it out
in.
once it's in. So, oh yeah. Oh, it definitely needed more banana.
Oh, this is going to taste so good.
It smells divine. Okay.
I wonder if it would taste good with chocolate chips too.
Ooh, if you had chocolate chips, what would
Yeah.
you add to it?
Ooh.
Maybe if you make these over winter break, you could send us the things you choose to add into
Yeah.
these banana cookies. I would love to hear. That feels much better. Doesn't that look better?
It does. It looks like it's going to.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Oats.
Mr. Kevin. The
There
oats,
we go.
they're in the way. Yeah, it definitely has. Yep, I think that half a banana more. Maybe my bananas just weren't quite big enough because one medium banana. I mean, like,
Medium. What does that mean?
what's medium mean?
Yeah.
Maybe mine were actually small bananas and I thought they were medium bananas. Okay. So now, what do we do, Mr. Kevin? Says, form a ball and flatten to make a cookie.
Cool.
Can be eaten right away. Also can be cooked in the oven or placed in the refrigerator.
Oh.
So I think you just get a little bit and you just, yeah, look, it makes a little ball.
I did this when I made chicken and dumplings the other day.
And then you flatten it a little bit. And then you just, ta-da!
Yeah.
There's a cookie. Okay.
I'm going to zoom in a little on this.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah.
You can take the recipe down now.
Okay.
We're good. This is the end.
So we're
Okay.
making a sphere.
a sphere, and then we're flattening it and making a circle. Kind of a lumpy circle. Okay, are you ready? Do you see it? You make the sphere. Oh, it smells so good. Roll it, and then squish it down. Okay. These would make a really good breakfast.
Oh, they would.
Yum.
We wouldn't be hungry for a while.
No. And you know, friends, oatmeal is healthy for you. And so is banana. And honey is one of the healthiest sweeteners you can use.
Yep.
Because it's made from bees. It's natural. And we don't have to do anything except for eat it. Okay. I think we have enough for one more.
More.
Ooh, how many are on that plate?
Well, Mr. Kevin, I think our third graders could help us with this. What do you see? 3 groups of 3.
Yeah.
And I bet our kindergartners could count them.
Oh, I bet.
Okay, count them. Did you get 9?
Yeah.
You made 9.
Oh, so if there's 9 cookies
Yeah.
and there's Mrs. Wally, Mrs. Oslin, and Mr. Kevin, how many do we each get?
Yes, 2 each. Now, we can't try it right now because we can't take our masks off. We're too close to each other.
Wait, Miss Wally.
Yeah.
2 each?
3 each.
Yeah. Unless you wanted to take some home for
I
Oliver.
kind of did.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think I'm
okay,
going
okay.
to. I think he would really
That's
like
fair.
these.
That's fair.
And then Mr. Wally will want to. So I
Yeah.
think I'm probably only going to get 1. Oh, well.
Compromise.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is
Okay.
caring.
Now we have another recipe to make. But don't worry, because I have a new bowl.
Voila.
Voila, the magic of TV. We don't need the banana anymore. I'm going to put that in this bowl.
The next recipe is
You
called
might need these.
Peanut Butter Energy Bites.
Ooh.
I love peanut butter. But
Would
I
you like
wonder
me to
if,
bring that up?
if there's someone who has peanut butter allergies.
They could use, I was thinking about this,
Yeah.
they could use the sun butter.
Oh, yeah.
It's made out of sunflower seeds.
Okay, good.
Or
good, good.
maybe they can't have peanuts, but they can have almonds. So
Yeah.
they could use
Almond butter.
Any
Okay.
of the butters will do.
Okay.
Or like, what if you did it with Nutella?
Oh, stop it.
Oh, I didn't think about that. That would be
Nutella.
delicious.
Yum.
Oh. Okay, so we need,
So here's a fun fact.
Yeah.
Nutella, what nut makes Nutella?
Hazelnut.
Hazelnuts. You knew that already.
Didn't
Yeah.
know that.
Gosh.
Because we buy the off-brand and it just says hazelnut spread
Okay.
instead of the name brand Nutella.
Our hands are a little messy.
They
I think
are.
we're just gonna go for it.
Go for it.
Are we good?
Yep,
Okay,
I'm
we
good.
just got sticky, messy hands. They're gonna get sticky again.
Yep.
So now we're only gonna make one of this recipe.
Okay.
It's a little more complicated.
Yeah. Okay. Peanut butter
So
energy
first
bites.
we need half a cup of peanut butter. Okay. So here's my peanut butter.
Oh, that's a new jar.
Yeah.
Yes. I got new everything for this today. Partially because I was almost out of most of it at my house. So I'm just going to take a. Now, I don't think that's all the way full.
No.
Think we need more?
Yes.
We need more.
Okay. More. Oh, that smells good. Okay. Maybe that's a little too full. Maybe a little too full, friends? So, what do you do when it's too full? What should you do?
Flatten
I
it.
can just flatten it out. Okay.
Level.
Do you want to
Yes.
put it in?
I do.
Okay. So I'm done with, here's something I do when I cook. When I'm done with an ingredient, before I move to the next one, I put the ingredient away.
That's smart.
So that when I'm done cooking, the only thing I have to clean up is the dishes.
That's very smart.
It
That's a good
makes,
idea.
my grandma taught me that. And ever since she taught me, I've done it and it makes cooking so much easier. Okay, so we've got our half a cup of peanut butter. What's next?
Okay, let's look.
Let's see. A third cup honey. Ooh, that's gonna be messy.
Yeah.
Ooh,
It's okay.
it's okay. I didn't say these were clean, but I did say they were yummy. You know what might be smarter? If I take the lid off.
Oh.
Because squeezing it through
That's
that
more
little tiny
efficient.
hole. Yeah, and I need a lot of honey, so it's more efficient to have it go glob, glob, glob. Like this. Glob,
Oh, yeah.
Glob.
That works much better.
glob.
I'm zooming in on that honey.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Doesn't it look
Oh,
delicious?
yeah. Mm.
Okay. Third cup honey. Here we go. Woo! Okay.
Peanut butter honey sandwiches are some of my favorites.
Me too. It is one of my absolute favorites. Put it in my dirty bowl. Okay.
Next.
Next is half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I've got these 2 spoons here. One says 1 teaspoon. The other one says half a teaspoon. Now, if I didn't have a half a teaspoon, do you think I could estimate about half of this one and that would work?
Yep.
But luckily, I found my half teaspoon and my little thing of vanilla. And we're gonna.
Now you should probably get an adult's help
Yes.
with pouring the vanilla in.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's a good reminder, Mr.
It
Kevin.
is because, friends, you don't want too much vanilla or it'll make it taste yucky.
Yeah.
It'd be great to have. This would be such a fun thing to do with an adult at
Oh,
your
yeah.
house. Okay, let's look at the recipe.
Okay.
I think then we mix that all together. Yep. So now we're gonna mix together
Yep.
the
Until
peanut
smooth.
butter, the honey,
Honey.
and the vanilla extract.
Mrs. Wally, I'm going to zoom in on that bowl.
Oh yeah, look at that. That
It
smells
looks really
so
creamy.
Yeah, it
good. Oh. Okay, that's blended together.
Is it smooth? It looks.
Oh, yeah.
It looks smooth.
It's nice and smooth. Okay.
Recipe?
Next.
Then pour oats and mix until wet. Okay, now I learned from the last recipe
Yep.
that I'm going to do like half of the amount of oats they asked for.
Okay.
and mix, and then add in more if we
That's a
need
good
to, because
idea.
I don't want to have to add in more peanut butter and more honey.
Yep.
And all of a sudden we'll just have like a giant bowl and
Yep.
we won't be able to eat it all. And then that's wasteful. So I'm done with my honey. So I'm going to put it away. I'm done with my vanilla. I'm going to put it away. And now it's time. Oh, I'm done with these spoons. I'm going to put them in my dirty bowl. It's time for the oats. Now, if I was at home, I would wash this out, but I'm not at home and I can't. So here we go.
That's a
Ooh,
good idea. Pour it in there.
yeah. Okay, do you want to give that a stir?
Yes.
Ooh, it's looking good. Definitely gonna need more.
Yeah, definitely. I was thinking that was a good idea, though, to only add half.
I think definitely this one we might need even more oats. Who knows? We'll see. I was thinking some dark chocolate chips would be really yummy in this, or
Ooh.
like some craisins.
Or what about once we get them formed into the energy bites, we add a little slice of banana on top?
Oh, that'd be so. And I have a banana. I have
Yum.
one extra banana. You think that's about good?
I think so. It's pretty sticky, but it's mixed, and the oats.
Do you think we need any more oats?
No, I don't think we need any more oats.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my dirty bowl.
Let's see how that looks, Mrs. Oslin. I'm zooming in.
Ooh,
Yeah,
zoom
look at that.
in.
Oh, gosh.
Now, the recipe says to form them as balls and then refrigerate them. So we're not going to refrigerate them right now because we don't have the time, but we can make the balls.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's just go for
Get
it.
dirty.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Sphere.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them on here. Okay. It's definitely a messy activity.
Oh, yeah.
You want to be able to wash your hands when you're done. And I bet you could actually put this in the refrigerator or freezer before you form the balls.
Oh, yeah.
And then pull it out and form the balls after. You know what I also like about this recipe? Is it doesn't make a ton.
No.
So it's not wasteful. You're not
Yeah.
going to waste any of your food. It'll be just enough for a day or two of snacks, depending on how many people live in your house.
It doesn't take a ton either if you don't have a whole new jar of peanut butter.
No, you just need half a cup.
Half a cup.
Mmm.
Yeah. I can tell you this is going to taste delicious. So, this is a snack you could make. The first one, all you need is banana and oats. That's it. Mash it all together.
Mm-hmm.
The second one, you need a little more.
little
you need
more.
some honey and some vanilla
And peanut
and
butter.
peanut butter.
Mhm.
You could even put banana in there.
You could.
It
Yeah.
would be good.
Yeah.
Or if you have dates, that would be really
Ooh,
good.
that or raisins. Some,
Or a
yeah.
little coconut.
Ooh, I didn't even think of that.
Yeah.
Wow.
So there's lots of ways you could add to this recipe.
Mhm.
So we hope you loved it. We got to do some math,
Yes.
and we're gonna have a yummy snack to eat
Yes.
now.
And that's part of our create, which you remember
Yes.
is part of balancing, keeping our mind and our body and our soul balanced.
If you create something over winter break, we would love to see what you create. So don't forget that you can email us at our email address, or in the credits, Mr. Kevin will put our P.O. Box address, and you can send us a picture of what you created. All right, friends, have a wonderful
Have
winter
a great break. Be kind to each other.
and we will see you in 2021.
Bye.